Hello guys, we are back with another lead code challenge. Let's see the today's challenge. And the challenge is remove duplicates from the sorted list seconds. So this question is fall into the category of media and it's a highly like ratio. So let's deep dive into the question. What actually question asks. So you have a given and a head of a sorted linked list. What's your duty? You have to delete all the nodes that have duplicate numbers and leaving only the distinct number from the original list and return that sorted list, and the linked list is sorted as well, so you have to return this modified linked list. So let's understand a little bit more with using example one. So you have a given, let's say you have given this linked list 1 2 3 3 4 4 5. What's your duty? You have to remove duplicate numbers, not a duplicate number. You have to remove these duplicate number nodes in that case. So you have given this linked list. Here you can see that 3 is present 2 times and 3 have the duplicate, so that's why you are going to remove these 3 nodes, whole 3 nodes, this and this 2. Here 4 is present twice, so you have to remove this also. So after removing, your linked list will be look like this 1 2 and the 5. So it's pretty much straightforward. And let's little bit more understand question. If you have any doubt, it clear by using example 2. So here you can see, here 1 is present 3 time and 2 is present single time and 3 is present 1 time. So you are going to remove this one from this linked list, and after removing this one, what you get this 2 and 3, and 2 is the head of that linked list. So you are going to return this. So it's pretty much straightforward. What's your duty? You have to remove just duplicate nodes in that case. So how can we solve that problem? And the basic intuition is on my mind. What I'm going to do, I'll try to make a new linked list by using this. What's my duty? I'll create a dummy linked list, dummy node. After creating in the dummy node, I'm going to add only those nodes which have frequency 1. That's my duty only. So let's understand this thing while writing the code. Let me write the code, then you understand more clearly what I'm actually trying to explain you. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do, uh, I'm going to make a node which is going to help me for the traversing. So let's name it Steven. It's going to use for the traversing purpose, not a T. Let's name it H. So that is the one of the. And what's my duty? First and foremost, if I have a single element, single node, or not not any node is present, in that case, what's my duty? I know this is singleton and it never possesses a duplicacy. In that case, I'm going to return the head. In that case, it's pretty much straightforward. So let me just go. If my head is equal to null, or my head nest is equal to null, in that case what I'm going to do, I'm going to return simply the head. So it's pretty much straightforward. But if not the case, in that case what I'm going to do, I have to just try to get know about uh, those element how many time is present. So for storing the data about that, what I'm going to do, I'll just create a unordered map, and in which I'm going to store the frequency about the node, how many times this element value is present in my linked list. So that's pretty much about what's my intuition behind that. So what I'm going to do, until my h is not equal to null, what I'm going to check it, uh, this h file how many time is present. And after that, what I'm going to do, I have enhanced the h pointer. So h next. So that's pretty much. And I'm again enhance my head. Now by doing this, I know about how many time my uh, element node value is present. Is it repetitive or not? If my um, if my value map value have the value 1, in that case it's present only one time. If it's a more than that, I didn't going to add into my answer. Or what I'm going to do, I'll create a dummy node. Let's name it dummy, and it's a list node. And let assign with the -1. It have the value -1 initially, and make made a pointer d, which actually pointing this dummy node. So what's my duty? While h not equal to null, I'm going to check if map h val, if it equal to 1. In that case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this node into my dummy. If it not, I'm not going to add it. So how can I add it? My d next is going to point the uh, h in that case, and I have to enhance my d pointer to h. And every step, what's my duty? I have to enhance my h point, h node, h pointer. So I'll enhance it. So that's pretty much about what's my duty to do. And after doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm simply my last node actually pointing to the null. My d next is equal to null in any last case. And yeah, that's it. What I'm going to do, I'll just return a dummy next. And that's pretty much about that, the solution. So let's run this code, guys. And it is accepted for this case. Let's submit this code and then see if it had any error or not. Yeah, that is accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding, guys, and stay tuned with